Welcome to this another powerful productivity warrior interview. In this interview, I have a special person here, Pradeep. He's a German MNC sales manager, and his results is he wakes up consistently since 30 days, and he's very proud of it. Let us welcome Pradeep. Pradeep, welcome to this productivity warrior interview. Welcome to this session.
Good morning. Good morning, Ramesh. How are you?
Yeah, I'm very excited to meet you to this productivity interview. Can you tell me a backstory, a little bit of your backstory? I mean, where are you coming from? How is your life?
Ramesh, I am a very normal person.
Mm-hmm.
I'm basically from Coimbatore,
Mm-hmm.
Tamil Nadu.
Mm-hmm.
So I work in this German MNC as a sales manager.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, and I've been always curious about getting to know stuff, and I attended a lot of workshops. But as we progress, out of all the workshops, I can proudly say this is one
Mm-hmm.
workshop where I'm willing to invest, and I've also invested.
Mm-hmm.
So thank you so much for that.
Yeah, awesome. I really want to see the serious people like you. In the entire community, only the my mentor always said this. It's not about the entire community. It's about the top 20% of the top 20%, which is the top 4% people are only active. You're in the top 4%. Congratulations. And tell me, before you join the boot camp and productivity empire, what are the problems you're facing? What kind of results you are getting before you join this productivity empire?
Ramesh, that's a very good question. One search, let me tell you on why I was looking at an empire or a productivity thing
Mhm.
first. So, I always wanted to do certain things, and then, in one day I'm very motivated to do stuff,
Mhm.
and all of a sudden that motivation is there for one day, 2 day, third day, and
Mhm.
fourth day, life comes to us, and
Mm.
and we sort of, every day becomes 2 days, and
Yes.
eventually we don't do it at all. So, that was some biggest problem. Consistency and
Yes.
lack of focus
Yes.
was some biggest problem. And one major thing is I'm a kind of a person who would prefer not to sleep the entire night and wake up and be awake at 5.
Okay. Mm.
Waking up at 5 o'clock was next to impossible for me.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So that was my motivation where I thought maybe I can try
Yes.
your workshop.
Awesome. I understand that you're struggling to focus, you're struggling to be consistent to become a morning person, right? And tell me, what is that one trigger point you had in the boot camp? Why you joined the productivity empire? What is that one reason inside you where you have that lightning star in your mind that Ramesh can help me? This kind of moment you had, what is the trigger in your mind?
Ramesh, see, there are a lot of, I also used to be a person where, chalo, yaar, YouTube may, there are a lot of videos, maybe we can get motivated and stuff like that. But
Mm.
again, after watching that motivation, it is just there for 5 minutes. After that,
Yes.
it dies off.
Yes.
What I found that in you or in the overall module, whatever you're given, I found it that, everybody, the entire community of people, in fact, you also,
Mm.
you're not somebody who stays in US, or no, we are normal people.
Yes. We are all normal. Yes.
And I can see my friends doing it. I can
Mm-hmm.
see that was a motivation, and the overall thing, it was very easy to get into it. No, it was not difficult. There was no motivation. There were no, I will get up at 5 o'clock. There was no what do you say, constant saying no.
Yes. Yes.
Very easy.
Yes.
That is what I liked it. It was very practical, and anybody can do it.
Yes.
Let me tell
Awesome.
you, if I can do it, anybody can do it.
Yes, awesome. Even I always believe in, suppose if something complex happens, something difficult happen, I always believe in, if one man can do it, other man can do it. If Pradeep can do it, Ramesh can do it. If Siddharth can do it, Ramesh can do it. In that way, I always think that and I inspire myself. Tell me, how is person productivity blueprint and how is the experience you have inside the productivity empire? Because the people who are watching this video may know about Ramesh, what you're going to get inside the empire. Just give me your 2 to 3 points. How is your experience so far?
Uh, it was, in one word, I can say, truly breathtaking.
Awesome.
Okay.
Yes.
Why I say that is, and first of all, to the folks who are listening out there, no, this is, first of all, Ramesh did not call me and ask me that, yeah, you have to say this. No, it is a clean disclaimer. I
Yes,
don't know this
yes.
guy almost a 1 month before. He was a stranger. Now he's like my family now.
Yes,
Okay. But what happens is, the personal productivity blueprint. Ramesh, I was kind of a person who always thinks, yeah, let's go with the flow. Jo aa raha hai, aane do, and stuff like that.
Mm.
But again, from the overall, you don't tell that you have to do this, you have to do this. One thing which I truly like and admire about your overall coaching is that you get along with us and you do it. Say for
Okay.
example, the 1 year calendar which you have shown, you were
Mhm.
very generous enough to show your plans.
Yes,
You wanted to drive a car, you wanted
yes.
to get into books, you want to, nobody shares their personal stuff with their community.
Mhm.
And it is very very precise, and the best way to learn something is to see the other person and just model it.
Yes.
And personal productivity empire, because of personal productivity empire, my calendar is filled.
Mhm.
And I have decided, and this is my chunks, high value time 1 2 3, and
Awesome.
from a matter of time that I know
Mm.
it is going to increase.
Awesome. It's literally inspiring me a lot. That day I still remember 30 minutes I have talked to you on phone, but you're still not realized it to jump into the productivity empire. But after, I think at night you called me, Ramesh, I'm ready to join. I don't understand why people are still hesitating to join where I'm adding 10x value, where I'm making you even more productive than you have ever seen that kind of experience in your life. But now I'm very proud of you, Pradeep, because you that day, because you have taken the decision. This day you are here with me in the interview, right? How are you
Yes.
things now?
I feel more confident, Ramesh, to be very, very frank. I feel very confident, and I am inspiring my friends.
Awesome.
I am inspiring my friends where I'm giving sort of practical tips. Yeah, you have to do this, you have to do this. And
Mhm.
I'll tell you to the viewers out there, I am a
Mhm.
kind of a person who always thinks before investing that is it really worth it?
Mhm. Awesome.
In fact, like what you told, the half an hour time,
Mhm.
no, I don't think nobody would have spent, because it's not about the money. If at all it were for the money, you would have not spent your 30 minutes of time,
Mhm.
or communicating the value.
Mhm.
But I will tell you, because of Ramesh, I've invested not once, I've invested twice.
Yes, I can see that you're my level member. Congratulations, you are already hit the mark. And tell me, what are the results you achieved after the empire, after the 1 month of journey? And I know you're a wake up warrior also. You waked up consistently for 30 days. You achieved all the badges. How is that framework and the fire in the community, the accountability in the community?
The
The results you
the overall the overall community is very very encouraging. That is the right word.
mm-hmm.
People are ready to share their personal stuff, which is even more encouraging.
Mm-hmm.
Say for example, I could very much relate. They
Mm-hmm.
are mere strangers, and at this point in time you don't even share your salary details to your
Yes.
personal friends.
Mm-hmm.
But again, that shows a overall openness to learn and
Mm-hmm.
openness to grow. And if one person wins, everybody cheers that person up.
Mm-hmm.
And one major thing about the overall success of the community is it is active, it is engaging, and
Mm-hmm.
it is also gives a drive that, yeah, 10
Yes.
people are doing it, I cannot afford to lose it.
Of course, that's it. My clear intention to build this empire, it's not to give you the concepts and do it, do it, do it. No, it's about we model each other and we inspire each other. Of course, there is no way to fail if you put yourself in the right environment, right?
Absolutely.
Uh, Tell me what are your precise results. People want, okay, Pradeep, what you achieved using this empire. People might think this. Just give me one or two results you achieved.
Okay. To be really precise, waking up in the morning at 5 o'clock is no more a problem.
Mm-hmm.
No matter what time I sleep,
Mm-hmm.
I can wake up at 5:30. There are 5 o'clock. There are times where I woke up at 4:30 also.
Wow, wow, it's really amazing. Lot of people dreams is this waking up at 5 a.m. Right?
So that is one takeaway.
Mhm.
Second thing is, after the focus sessions, whatever you've told,
Mhm.
there is constant focus where I work on one single goal monomaniacally on that single goal only, and I have received my second source of income,
Wow. Literally.
which it was pending for almost 3-4 years.
Mm.
My first payment for
Awesome.
my additional income
Mm.
I have received because of you. Thank you so much.
Awesome, awesome. It's literally a goosebumps to me that using the journey I'm creating, you're getting results. That is what I want. Your results are my results, Pradeep. Congratulations for your second income source. And finally, we are wrap up this interview with, what is your one success principle you live with for the rest of your life? What is that one productivity principle you are ready to stick with yourself for the rest of your life?
Hmm. If your planning is done, everything is done.
Awesome. Plan
Yeah.
makes it perfect. If you make your plan perfect, you will execute it perfect, right?
Yes. Yes.
And one more thing, usually I don't ask this question, but I really wanted to ask this. What is your one impossible, immediate burning goal for the next 12 months? Because I wanted to see Pradeep to the 10x. What is that one burning goal you have?
The next burning goal is that I need to become I've already started up a startup, a second source.
Mhm.
I am looking at taking that to generating a 6-digit number every month.
Awesome. Awesome. You can do it. If I'm doing it, you can also do it, right? It's possible. And thank you, Pradeep. Thanks for your time and effort. If you're watching this first time, hit the like and subscribe to this channel. And please type your number one takeaway, what you learned from Pradeep, right? If you really want to know more about this productivity empire, click the link below where we are having a boot camp. You can join the boot camp where I'll make you more productive. If you're interested, you can come to my productivity empire. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye, Pradeep. Thanks for your time.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.
Awesome.